Then what is the answer for this question? Write down the solution. Praveen, 77777 power 33333 minus 33333 power 77777. These are nothing but, these is the smallest number, this is the largest number. Smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. So 3333 power 777 minus 77777 power 3333. I hope it is clear till here. Till here, the smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. Smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. So, these nothing but, right? This is 3. The number before is A. If this is 7, the number before is B. 3 will not go carry in 1. So, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Why? Because second one is greater than the first one. How did I find out, Arun? Because of this property. A power B is greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B both are greater than 3. Both are greater than 3. Based upon this property, Arun, I found out A power B is greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. I hope it is clear. So don't take it as 6. Now these is nothing but 3 power 77. 3 power 77, right? 3 power 77 is A3. 7 power 33 is 7. Take 1 carried. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Right? 13 minus 7 is 6. So, answer for this question is 6. I hope this example is clear. One more example I will do. Then we will discuss the doubts in case if it is there, right? I hope it is clear. A power B greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. Now another doubt. 52. A power B, please write down. A power B greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. So, based upon this one, suppose for example, 521 power 378, 378 power 521. So, what is the relationship between this one? A power B is greater than, here 378 is less than 521. 378 is less than 521. 378 power 521 is greater than 521 power 378 according to this concept. I hope it is clear. Extremely important concept. A power B is greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B. Find the unit digits. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digit for the following. First question. 78 power 42 factorial. 78 power 42 factorial. These are nothing but 42 factorial is 42 into 41 into 40 and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. These 40 is divisible by 4. So entire this number is divisible by 4. The unit digit of this number is 8 power 4k. These are nothing but 8 power 4. 8 power 4 is 8 square into 8 square. 4 4s are 16. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for the first question is 0. 6 varieties of questions in our class. 78 power 42 factorial. 42 factorial. Please write down a note. Note. Note is any a factorial. Please write down the a factorial unit digit. A factorial unit digit. I hope it is clear, right? A factorial from 4 factorial onwards. From 4 factorial onwards, a is divisible by 4k. Please write down. A is divisible by 4k from 4 factorial onwards. 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial. Praveen, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. If any natural number is greater than or equivalent to 4, if any natural number is greater than or equivalent to 4, a factorial is always divisible by 4k. If a is 4, 5, 6 and so on, a factorial, a is starting from 4. A is starting from 4. A factorial is always divisible by 4k. A is always divisible by 4k. 4 more examples. Please write down. A is always divisible by 4k. 32 power 32 factorial. 17 power 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. D. 58 power 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. E. 6 factorial power 6 factorial. F. 927 power 60 factorial. 927 power 60 factorial. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digits for the following. 32 power 32 factorial, right? 32 power 32 factorial. 17 power 1 factorial till 4 factorial. 58, 6 factorial and 927, right? Now, Cherry, you are according to a power 4k property, answer is 4. Answer is a power 4. It is not 4. Answer is a power 4. A power 4k plus 1, which is a power. Praveen, camera off ayindi. A power 3. A power 4k plus 3. It is a power 3. A power 4k is a power 4. It is a power 4, not 4. Cherry, you are getting confused today a lot. A power 4k is a power 4. Now let us solve the questions based on this one. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 2s are 10. Unit digit 0. 0 power any number is 0. 0 power any number is 0. Question number E. Answer is 0. Please don't give the answers. I never ask anybody to give the answers. Unit digit is 7. 60 factorial is divisible by 4. 7 power 4k, which is 7 power 4, which is 7 square into 7 square. 9 9s are 81. Answer is 1. 32 power 32 factorial. 32 factorial divisible by 4. So which is 2 power 4k. 2 power 4, which is 16 6. This is divisible by 4. From 4 factorial onwards, all are divisible by 4. So this is 7 power 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 7 power 9. 9 is 4 into 2 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. These are nothing but 8 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 factorial 6. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 power 1 is 8. What we did till now is an elementary question. From the next slide onwards, I am solving little difficult questions. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? Now, please, we will write down one more good question, then we will get into a next slide. Please write down. Write 4 factorial onwards, it is divisible by 4. 32 factorial contains 4. A power 4k. 2 power 4 is 16. From 4 factorial onwards, divisible by 4. 1 plus 2 plus 6, which is 7. From 4 factorial, it is divisible. Right? 8 power 1. 6 factorial, unit digit is 0. 7 power any number. Right? If the power is multiple of 4, 7 power 4k, 7 power 4, answer is 1.